Time relativity dissipates when our solar system is in accelerated motion. See why. Thousands of dark comets pose a serious, unseen threat to Earth. Subscribe to the channel, here you will have the last details, before the end of this world system. A dark comet is one that has lost its bright icy cover, leaving a dusty inner crust that reflects only a small fraction of the light. As it does not glow, a dark comet on a collision course with Earth could easily evade detection until the disaster is complete. Several periodic comets, which take tens of years to complete an orbit around the Sun, are of the dark type. The rate at which bright comets pass through the solar system should be around 5,000 orbiting the Sun, but only 25 have been detected to date. Thousands may be invisible to detection because they are so dark, thus posing the greatest and most serious threat of extermination of life on the planet. However, some scientists believe that the dark comet may have a good absorption of sunlight and therefore can be found by its radiated heat. But these are mere speculations that do not correspond to the real ability to detect near-Earth objects undertaken by NASA. In 1983, Comet INTENSIFYING passed Earth at a distance of 5 million kilometers, the closest approach of a comet in 200 years. With only 1% of its surface active and reflecting light, it was detected just 2 weeks before its arrival. If it came in the direction of Earth, we would only know a week before the end, if we were informed in time. Research suggests that comets move toward Earth when the solar system periodically passes through the middle of the galactic plane. The date of these passes appears to coincide with that of ancient impact craters on Earth, suggesting that they were caused by comets rather than asteroids. Some comets appear regularly, such as Comet Halley. Others originate from the distant Oort cloud, a nursery of comets about a light year from the Sun. Some complete their orbits in 1 million years and are more difficult to predict or detect, especially if they are too far from the Sun to develop a comet tail, characteristic of the melting of its icy surface. Dark comets do not form the coma, streams of dust and gas released around the comet, nor the tail. This ionized tail, made of gases, is directed opposite the Sun, as the ionized gas is affected by the solar wind, following magnetic field lines rather than an orbital trajectory. The parallax of Earth views can cause the tails to point in different directions. Each year, asteroids with diameters of 10 meters or more hit the Earth's atmosphere with as much energy as the 15-kiloton Hiroshima atomic bomb and explode in the upper atmosphere. Objects with diameters greater than 50 meters produce explosions comparable to the Tunguska event of 1908 in Siberia, when a falling object caused a large explosion and devastated an area of thousands of square kilometers. The falls of these objects should be seen frequently, but most of them occur in the oceans or generally the objects, when entering the atmosphere, explode at high altitudes resulting in an immense flash and thunder, being interpreted as adverse weather conditions. While conducting a program to discover near-Earth objects, Caroline Shoemaker, Eugene Shoemaker, and David H. Levy discovered Comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 on the night of March 24, 1993. It was the 9th short-period comet, a comet that has an orbital period of 200 years or less, and was named after the discoverers. Its impact on Jupiter created a dark spot, about 12,000 kilometers in diameter, and it is estimated to have released energy equivalent to 6 million megatons of TNT, 600 times the world's entire nuclear arsenal. If a comet hits the ocean, coastal regions will be decimated by massive tsunamis. If it hits a continent, it will wipe out all life for thousands of miles. Dust and gases will be expelled into the atmosphere, blocking the Sun for months or years. The temperature will drop and the Earth will enter the Ice Age, where ice and negative temperatures will prevail. Plants, animals and many people will die, unable to cope with the sudden changes in Earth's climate. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications, to receive new videos. Thanks.